Trish delete. Last time we learned about the regular pronouns or personal pronouns. I, you, he, she, you, they, etc. Today we're going to learn possessive pronouns or takje tsepsik. Tsepsik means pronoun, takja means possessive. So let's look at the first one. My, nge, nga, hakigu ngi, nga, hakigu I, nge, nge. It's the same thing for honorific and akasho. Both are pronounced nge. Your, rangi. For honorific, kirangi. His, kwe, ka, naro, hakigu kwe. Honorific, kongi. Me, her, me. Honorific, kongi. Our, ngansu. Now, ngansu means we, right? As we learned last time, when you add hakigui, it becomes possessive. Again, here in English, you don't have the plural version of you, so I'm using the southern version of plural version of you, which is yao, yaos, kiransu, yours, your. Kinamtsu, that's the applied honorific form. Again, for our, same thing, ngaransu, ngaransu. So when you're talking with somebody that should be respected in your eyes, when you're talking about us with that person included, then you say ngaransu as opposed to ngansu. It is more honorific to say it that way. There, kotsu, we know ko means he, so is like a, so means a group, kotsu. So kotsu, again, when you add a hakigui, it becomes a possessive, kotsu. So let's go back to the previous page though. I would like to look at some pattern. You will notice that a nga means I, and it doesn't have a suffix, right? When it doesn't have a suffix, when you add a hakigui, then it becomes a possessive. Now, in the case of zhang, which means you, to turn that into possessive, instead of adding hakigui, we added a gakigugi. That's because in Tibetan there's a grammatical rule. When there's a suffix, in which case nga is a suffix to ra, rang or rang, then you use the word gakigugi to make it a possessive, and you will notice that pattern later on. Again here, ko doesn't have a suffix, so we say ko hakui, ko, mo, same thing, me. Similarly, ngansu, kirang tsu. Interestingly, because this one has tso, so we're not using the gakigugi, right? Tso itself doesn't have a suffix, so we say tsu, kotsu, similar. Now let's look at some examples. What I have done here is I have a possessive term that describes an object that belongs to the pronoun, to the person that the pronoun represents. And I have also introduced an adjective. What you will notice is that in Tibetan, the adjective is added after the noun to decorate the noun or the subject in this case. So to say, my new book, in Tibetan, we actually say my book new. So nge means my, loptip, book, sarba, new. Nge loptip sarba, that's my new book or my book new. Similarly, Rangi, your, Kangba, house, Ningba, old. Rangi kangba nyingba. That means your old house. Again, the adjective is after the noun. So this pattern is the same throughout these examples. So I'm not going to repeat here. His, ki, dog, ngarbo, ferocious. His ferocious dog. Ki ngarbo. Now mo, me, her, lakba, hands, drangmo, cold. Me lakba drangmo, her cold hands. Our, ngansu, gigen, teacher, sangbo, kind. Ngansu gigen sangbo, our kind teacher. Our kind teacher. Ngansu gigen sangbo. Kiransu, yours, plural version of you, your yao's car big, or kiransu moja 첨부, your big car. kiransu moja 첨부. And let's look at there. 코츠 there, 코츠 종초 중중, small, right? There, small village. 코츠 종초 중중. Thank you for learning the possessive pronouns today. We'll see you next time. Thank you.